Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's time for part 2 of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds Walmart Edition. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. So this is part 2 of our Walmart Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds series, and what I'm going to do is I'm taking $5 to Walmart and seeing what I can find for $5 or less. So let's get started. Today we're focusing on tools and useful items, and our first thing on our list is a packet of little notepads. Now these are great for doing measurements and writing down little notes, or you can even do handwritten switch lists and car cards and stuff like this. It's a pack of notepads. This was actually around 80 cents at the Walmart that I went to. Next up is a 12-foot tape measure. Now, you know that you are always doing all sorts of measurements in model railroading. This was 98 cents at Walmart, which I think is honestly a steal for something that you are going to use so much on a railroad, and most of our railroads are less than 12 feet. So there you go. Our next item is a little utility knife. This was around 80 cents in the tool section at Walmart, and this is a really great thing. You're going to use a whole lot in your model railroad. Next, this is actually kind of representing a bunch of different things. Walmart has this whole Hypertough brand that you have seen with these other tools, and they have a lot of them that are $1 or less, including screwdrivers and all sorts of different things. So they have them basically set up, and you can go find a lot of different tools for just $1 a piece at Walmart. And personally, I really love them like that. The last thing on our list this week is this little tiny plastic putty knife. Now these are great for a lot of different things, whether it's smoothing out different scenery materials like plaster or joint compound like I use a lot, to scraping different things off of the layout where you need to remove a little bit of excess. This was around 90 cents at Walmart, and I can't tell you how many times I have used plastic putty knives for a lot of different things on model railroading. So there you go, 5 useful tools for under $1 for model railroading from Walmart. So that's it for part 2 of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds Walmart Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'd love to know what you guys find at Walmart or stores that are similar to it for your Dollar Store Model Railroad finds. You can go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates, including the rest of this series. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!